Gunbot dashboard, this is the page that you will get once you get everything activated. And on the left here, you can see the currently active trading pairs. Now, trading pairs are basically the pairs that Gunbot will be scanning through with whatever strategy you've selected, which I'll go through in just a minute. And then on this main screen here, you can see the price history. This is basically just a trading view chart. And you can also see some of the information that the trading bot is currently looking at. So one of the strategies that I currently have activated right now is a support and resistance trading strategy where it will automatically look for different support and resistance levels and then buy and sell based off of that information. And so on the chart, you can see that currently it sees a resistance level at around $1.26 and a support level at around 90 cents. And then once the price goes through one of these levels, then it will either buy or sell depending on what happens with the price action. And these are all configurable options. However, it's really cool that they now have an active chart where you can see this data as well as where the bot buys and sells with little red and green arrows that will show up over time as the bot trades. However, since this is a new instance that I just set up for this video, currently there is no trading history on this specific instance of the bot. Next, I will go over how to add trading pairs to Gunbot, and there are actually a lot of new features here that you will see which are extremely important to the general setup of this new and updated Gunbot. So first off, you can select the exchange which you would like to trade with, and Gunbot now has a very wide selection of exchanges that you can trade on. Basically every exchange that you could want is now supported by Gunbot. Next, you can select the pair. So let's say I want to trade DOT to BUSD. And finally, I can select the strategy, which I'll go over in just a minute. And then I can click add. And once I have added a